Hi, Ms. Gonzalez. This is the video for the density and volume project. Alright, volume is the amount of space that a substance or object occupies, or that it is enclosed within a container. Volume is used to know how much of something you need, from flour all the way to gas. Water displacement is a method of collecting gases that are not soluble in water. Water displacement is used to find the volume of unsoluble objects. Water displacement, I believe, came from a Greek scientist who was helping a king, and he found out when you put real gold in water, it will sink and will fill up the container more so than if you would have put fool's gold in it. And that's how water displacement was found. Density is the mass per unit of volume. In easier words, how much space an object takes up in relation to volume. The formula for density is P equals m over v, and P represents the density. The formula for volume, I don't currently have it written down, is length times width times height of an object. And then the objects that I found the volume, density, and the mass for is this speaker. Bluetooth speaker. I did keep the rubber guard on it when I did the dimensions. And here's my work. It is 4 inches by 4 inches by 2.5, which equals out to 40. And then once I found the volume, I had to find the mass. And to find the mass, I calculated the weight of it, which is 0.8 of a pound. And 0.8 of a pound is equal to 3.55858 newtons. And once you find that, you have to divide the newtons by the force exerted downwards on wherever you are, which in Earth it is 9.8 meters, 9.8 meters per second squared. And 3.5 divided by 9.8 meters per second squared equals to 0.40 roughly. I say roughly, it actually equals out to 0.39, and then it repeats. And so we get 0.40 meters per second squared. And then for density, the formula for density is P equals m over v. So you would do mass divided by volume, which is equal to 0.01, and that's what I got for my density.